सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाहीन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joiya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Basic Level, Shaheen Test 4 of Unit 12, Dictation Speed 70 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand total time 34 minutes. Ready, start. Dear Mr. Fareed, thank you for asking this firm to handle the sale of your property. Full stop. So far, we have measured the site and room sizes. Full stop. However, if you would like our sales manager to visit you to describe our terms in full, it will give me pleasure to make arrangement for him to do so. Full stop. However, in our view, it may not be easy to sell some of our layer goods in all parts of the target area. Full stop. Our packets are apt to appear outdated to our customers, and we intend to select an absolutely new range of packaging designed to meet the needs of today. Full stop. It is necessary to be sure that these newspaper remarks are true, so I have asked Mr. Dilawar to research the facts and to come over tomorrow. Full stop. If he will mail the invoice to the head office of our society, they will pay by check. Full stop. Straight away, my secretary sent the details to a banker, who is moving to a branch in this district and who has expressed the wish to purchase a property same to yours. Full stop. He felt that they would be delighted that, because of the healthy state of national affairs, both home and export markets had enjoyed good sales, as could be seen on the sheet attached to the agenda. Full stop. We would ask you to study this carefully and to fill in the attached form, which gives you scope to express your views as to what business managers are seeking. Full stop. According to our sales manager, it is possible to increase sales of our products. Full stop. I am sure that you are aware of the fact that our service is already widely used by other large firms in your district. Full stop. I shall speak to our area sales managers first, next Monday morning at 9 a.m., as in my custom, and inform them, as far as possible, comma, of what we have in store, full stop. We are an expert carriage company offering very reduced rates to all parts of Pakistan and special package deals to the south areas. Stop rating, please.